going to talk about our project on endocrine disrupting chemicals.
In 1979, the Environmental Protection Agency banned manufacturers from using polychlorinated biphenyls in products. PCBs are an endocrine-disrupting chemical that can interfere with the endocrine system in our body.
The endocrine system is made up of organs that secrete hormones that bring about changes in our body that affect developmental, behavioral, and sexual growth.
What's alarming is that EDCs include many man-made chemicals that are still found in our environment and many of our products. We recently discovered that the fungicide vinclozolin is an EDC. Some other products with EDCs include pesticides, plastics like water bottles and saran wrap, and medications such as synthetic hormones.
When the Center of Disease Control and Prevention tested mothers, they found that certain percentages had EDCs in their breast milk or umbilical cord blood. This means that the newborn babies are also being affected by EDCs.
Research has shown that direct exposures to EDCs not only affects the individual, but also indirectly affects up to 3 subsequent generations. However, the molecular process of this inheritance is still a mystery. Our hypothesis is that EDCs are passing on their effects through epimutations on the epigenome in sperm DNA.
So what is an epigenome and an epimutation?
Let's say you're building a house. You have your building supplies, which is your genome, and then you have your blueprints, the epigenome. The epigenome will tell your genome what genes to produce, when, where, and how much that gene should be expressed.
An epimutation is a change to the epigenome. In other words, epimutations would be like if someone came and changed the blueprints to your house without your permission. This would affect how your house would be built and how it would look like. For example, your hardwood floors are now tile and your wooden walls are now bricks.
Not only does this affect your house, but also your children's, grandchildren's, and so on.
Our analysis has uncovered a pattern of epimutations occurring in sperm cell genes across the generation.
This could be the key to how these effects are transmitted from one generation to the next. This data could help form policies and regulations that could better protect the lives of generations to come.